My student ID is 2024244044.
Hi, my name is Nurin bin Khalani. My student ID is 2024670808.
Hi everyone, my name is Fatinah and my student ID is 2024245264. In this video, we are going to solve questions by using different techniques of differentiation. Let's go!
Question 1. Explain the meaning of the differentiation and what are the techniques of differentiation. What is differentiation? Differentiation is a method to finding the derivative of a function. This is a question of definition of derivative, where we can find the derivative of a function in which f prime x equals to limit of x approaches to 0, fx plus h minus fx divided by h. And what are the techniques of differentiation? The techniques include the power rule, the product rule, the quotient rule, and the chain rule.
So I'm going to solve equation for number 2a, which is y equals to 3x squared sec x plus 2. So from this equation, we can already see that this will be solved by product rule, which is u dv over dx plus v du over dx. So for the first step, we can extract 3 from here, so that will be 3d dx x squared sec x plus 2. So this will be u, and then this will be v. U equals to x squared du over dx equals to 2x. Then for v, sec x plus 2 dv over dx equals to sec x plus 2 tan x plus 2. So now we're going to substitute this into this formula, which is u. So dy dx will be u x squared dv over dx, which is sec x plus 2 tan x plus 2 plus v sec x plus 2 times with du dx, which is 2x. Then just times all of it, so it will be, oh, and don't forget the 3 at the front, I almost forgot about that. So, and then times all of it, so that will be 3x squared sec x plus 2 tan x plus 2 plus with 6x sec x plus 2 dy. So this is the answer for question 2a. 4x plus y equals to 4x plus 2 cos x. Now we're going to differentiate this equation. By looking at this equation, we can already see that this will be need to solve by quotient rule, which is v du over dx minus u dv over dx over v squared. So this will be u, this will be v. U equals to 4x plus 2 du over dx equals to 4. V equals to cos x dv over dx equals to negative sin x. So now we're just going to substitute all of this into this formula, which is v dy over dx equals to v cos x du dx, which is 4, minus u 4x plus 2 dv over dx is negative sin x over v squared cos x squared, and then just times all of it together, so that it will be 4 cos x minus 4x plus 2. Oh, this will need to be plus. Sin x over cos squared x. This is plus because negative meets negative will be positive. So yeah, this is the answer.
Alright, so for question 3, the question is given y ln 3x minus e to the power of 2x plus 1 minus tangent 4y equals to 0. So find dy dx using implicit differentiation. Implicit differentiation is when function is not given in a normal one like y equals to fx, but in a very complicated way and sometimes impossible to solve. So this function is called implicit function. So to solve this question, it's better for you to like break this question. So I'll break this into 3. First one, second one, and the third one. Okay, so for the first one, we're going to solve using the product rule. So this one is as u, this one as v. So u equals to y and u prime, we differentiate, it will be 1. And when y differentiated, it will be dy over dx. So v equals to ln 3x and v prime equals to, so to differentiate ln, this one you bring to the bottom and you differentiate this one. So it will be 3 over 3x. And x will be dx over dx, but usually we don't write it because it will equals to 1. So v prime equals to 1 over x because we can cross the 3. Alright, then we solve it using the product rule. dy dx equals to u v prime plus v u prime. So just put everything, and the last answer we got y over x plus ln 3x dy dx. Alright, so for the second part, to solve exponential, first of all, you just rewrite everything and then you differentiate the power. So we got negative e to x plus 1, and then the power we differentiate, we got 2 and dx over dx as usual 1. So we got negative 2e to x plus 1. Alright, for the second part, to differentiate trigonometry like tangent, we got negative second square. And then for y, just rewrite everything. And then we differentiate the 4y. So it will be 4 and dy over dx because we differentiate the y. So the answer is negative 4 second square 4y dy dx. Alright, next part. Since we differentiate everything, we put together, just like the question, just rewrite everything. When we got like this, now we need to put the one with dy dx on one side and the one without dy dx on the other side. So 2e to the power of 2x plus 1 minus y over x equals to ln 3x dy dx minus 4 second square 4y dy dx. So when dy dx is on one side, we have to factorize everything. Okay, so once factorized, we just have to move everything to the back. So because the question asks us to find dy over dx, so dy over dx equals to 2, just rewrite this, 2e to the power of 2x plus 1 minus y over x over ln 3x minus 4 second square 4y. So this is our final answer.
Okay, so for question 4, the question is use linear approximation to estimate the value of 4th root 80.99 minus 2 over square root of 80.99 correct to 3 decimal places. So the first thing to do in this question is to put the equation into your calculator. So if we put the equation into the calculator, our result will be 2.77 something something. But because the question asks for an answer to only 3 decimal places, we will simply take the 3 digits after the decimal, which we get is 2.778. So this answer will be our target for solving this problem. So the first thing to do is to find x. So basically, our x is what we find the complicated number in our equation, which is the number with the decimals. So in this case, our x is 80.99. Now we have to find our x naught. So what is x naught? That x naught has to be one, a close value to x, and second is a whole number. So from our x, we have to find the closest whole number to x, which is 81. So our next step is to find the equation of fx. So simply replace the value of the numbers with decimals with x, which we have found in the previous step. So in this case, our equation is fx equals to 4th root of x minus 2 over the square root of x. So
because we have to differentiate this equation in the next step, we will have to change the form of fx into a simpler form in order to differentiate it much more better. X with the power of 1 over 4 minus 2x with the power of negative 1 over 2. Now our next step is to differentiate this equation, which I have done. F prime x equals to 1 over 4 x to the power of negative 3 over 4 plus x to the power of negative 3 over 2. You can leave it here, or you can simplify it further so you can replace the values in the next step much more easier. So I've done so too, which equals to f prime x equals to 1 over 4 x to the power of 3 over 4 plus 1 over x to the power of 3 over 2. So our next step is to use this formula for linear approximation to find the value, which is fx approximates to fx naught plus f prime x naught times x minus x naught. Now, what is the symbol? This symbol is not the same as the symbol of equals to. It is only an approximation. So with this equation, we should replace the values of x naught and x into the equation. And here, our x is 80.99 minus our x naught, which is 81. So this is our fx. Now the x in fx is replaced with the value of 81, as you see here, and plus with the f prime of 81, which is the differentiated equation, which is f prime x, with the x is replaced with the value of 81. Right, so now here, 80.99 minus 81 equals to negative 0.01. So our final answer equals to 4 fx approximates to 2.778.